I'm Jared Dillingham in Arizona's wine country. Yes, Arizona has wine. In the southern part of the state, the rolling hills and the cooler temperatures actually allow them to grow grapes and produce some pretty good wines too. From above, you can tell we are still in Arizona. Sonoita is 2.5 hours from Phoenix, or about an hour from Tucson. The elevation is up near 5,000 feet around Sonoita, so the climate combined with the volcanic soil and limestone deposits, it all creates decent grape-growing conditions. This is Los Milics in Elgin. You can walk through the vineyards and enjoy great food in their tasting room and restaurant inside. And they recently opened these casitas so you can actually stay right on the site and wake up to vineyard views. Pretty unique for a state that's mostly known for its desert landscapes. And it's one of around 20 options to check out in this area. This is Rune Wineworks in Sonoita, off the grid, totally solar powered, with open seating inside and out, offering some pretty amazing sunset views. Dos Cabezas is a longtime favorite in Sonoita, celebrating its 30th year. It's another winery with indoor-outdoor seating options and some food as well. Hops and Vines is another eclectic option nearby. This one's run by a couple of sisters. In general, I found Arizona wineries, whether in Sonoita or the Verde Valley, to be far more relaxed and friendly without any of the semi-snobbery you might find in, say, Sonoma, California. They're all very welcoming, whether you're a wine aficionado or just here with friends to enjoy the wine and the views. So there are about 20 wineries in this part of the state, and about an hour northeast of here in Wilcox, there are even more to go check out. They harvest the grapes here every August, and they hold a harvest fest every July or August, but the wineries and the vineyards and the tasting rooms are open year-round to check out. I'll see you next time.